Should I order from Valicci.com? What are the Valicci Overhaul reviews? If you are having this sort of queries, then this review video will be a great help for you. This web store Valicci.com deals in unisex handcrafted high-grade jewelry items. You can have bracelets, chains and rings from this website. Now, before answering your queries about the legitimacy of this website, we will request you to subscribe our channel to have regular updates regarding various online scams. Here, Scam Alert Analytics channel team is regularly updating you about them with the help of regular Scam Alert videos. Friends, Valicci.com was registered on 13 April 2021. It is a 5-month-old website. They have not provided About Us page on their website. Hence, we can't get the idea about their business address and start of this business. In the return policy page, they have shared their warehouse address of Carolina and also one email address info@valicci.com. No contact number and address available on their Contact Us page. This web store does not hold any social media presence. Well, these are negative points. These are enough to create doubt over the legitimacy of this web store. However, we have noticed few comments from its real customers. Have a look. All these comments clearly indicate that this website Valicci.com is having lots of annoyed customers. But it is not a scam. People are getting their orders with a good delay. Most of its real customers are frustrated about its poor customer service, and few others are complaining about poor product quality. Well, considering all this, we can say that this one is not a scam website. However, it will not be viable to place order over this website Valicci.com. Please choose any other known brand for your jewelry shopping.